Hi guys. Okay, so I travel a lot, and this is one of my travel hacks. So when I get into a location, the very first thing I think of is where's my water, because a lot of times they sell in these hotels, they sell like these little itty bitty waters for $5 a piece. And I drink about a gallon a day, so I get really dehydrated when I'm on the road. And so this is one of my little travel hacks that I do. So there's two ways that I do it. The first way is when I get into a location, a lot of times the ice is filtered. And so I will get room service, and I'll ask for a large pitcher of ice, and I'll ask for two of them. And so then I have the large pitchers of ice, and I keep them for the weekend, and I just go fill the ice up at night, and then I come back in the morning, and or like first thing in the day, and then the ice is melted and I have water. So that's one of the ways I get water. My other way, which is actually my favorite way to do it, is I actually travel with this. It's actually a foldable, it's plastic, it's like a water bladder. And it's actually from Kangen, because I have Kangen machine at home. I use Kangen water at home, but this actually, it's full of water right now, but it folds in half, and it folds flat, and it sits in my bag, and it literally, you just, fill it up. And so a lot of hotels will have a fitness center, and when you go to the fitness center, a lot of times they have a large thing of filtered water there. So I will just unpack my little thing. First thing, I go down to the fitness center, find out if they have a water there, and I fill my water up, and I have water for the week. So that's my travel hack on how to get water when you're traveling. Stay hydrated, guys. See you soon.